Hi all. In this video, we are going to solve array question. We have integer array having six elements and the value of k2. K indicate the number of rotation. So we are going to rotate the element of an array to be route by k step, and we will rotate this array clockwise. So we will see the easy steps to solve this problem. So we will see first we see the behavior of an array in each rotation. So for that, I'm considering one circle. I'm marking the position of an element position. So the inner part will represent the indices of an array that will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the outer part will represent the element of an array that is 9, 5, 8, 7, 6. Okay. And we will rotate this array in clockwise. So after first rotation, we will see how array looks like. So this is the marking the position 0. Right. So after first rotation, the 9 will move toward the right and get inserted at the index 1. Similarly, the remaining element move toward the right 6 1. And will come forward and inserted at the 0 index. After first rotation, our array becomes 1 5 sorry 9 5 8 7 6. After second rotation in relation of so 0 1 2 3 4 5 and the elements. Okay, so after second rotation the nine element will move toward the right, so it will get inserted at the second index. So let's see. So 9 will come at the index 0 5 8 7 6 1. So our array becomes 6 1 9 5 8 7, and this is the expected output. So if we see the output, the last two come forward, but it is in a reverse order. Actually, it is inserted in a reverse order. So we are going to reverse this array. So we have a few steps to follow to solve this problem. So first, we will divide this array into two part. Second, we will reverse. First, we will reverse the first part of array. So we will reverse the first part of array. Then we will reverse the second part of array. And the fourth point and last point, we will reverse the whole array. So these are the four steps. By using these steps, we can solve this problem. So we will take, to solve this problem, we will take one element that will represent the difference between the array length and the value of k. So array length minus k. So length of an array is 6 and the value of k is 2, that is 4. So we will write one function that is reverse, that will reverse the array, that will take the array as an input and the start index and the end index. Okay, so first we have to reverse the first part of array. So we will reverse the first part of array. So we will take the array as an input and the start index must be 0 and the end index is a minus 1. That is, the start index is 0 and the a minus 1, that is 3. So 0 1 2 3 up to 7. So first we will reverse this array from 0 to 3. Then we will reverse the second part of array. The start index is a, that is 4, and end index is length minus 1. In second part, we will reverse the second part of array, that is start from the index 4 and end index 5. And the fourth step, finally, we will reverse the whole array, that is 0 to length minus 1. So in first part, the output should be 7, 8, 5, 9, 6, and 1. And in while reversing the second part of array, the output must be 7, 8, 5, 9, 1, 6. And while reversing the whole array, the output must be 6, 1, 9, 5, 8, 7. So this is the exact output we got. So by using this four step, we can easily solve this problem. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.